Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send Bitcoin from Trezor. First, connect your Trezor hardware wallet to your computer using the provided USB cable. Next, open the Trezor Suite application on your desktop. This software is essential for interacting with your device. You will then be prompted to enter your PIN directly on your Trezor device. This step ensures the security of your funds and grants you access to your Bitcoin wallet. Once unlocked, you can proceed with your transaction. Now that your wallet is accessible, navigate to the Send tab within the Trezor Suite application. This is where you'll initiate your Bitcoin transfer. Ensure that Bitcoin is selected as the cryptocurrency you intend to send. Carefully input the recipient's Bitcoin address into the specified field. Double-check this address for accuracy, as an incorrect address could result in irreversible loss of funds. Accuracy is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrency transactions. Next, enter the precise amount of Bitcoin you wish to send. You can specify this in Bitcoin or its equivalent fiat currency. Review all transaction details carefully, including the recipient's address, the amount, and the network fees. These fees vary based on network congestion. Finally, confirm the transaction directly on your Trezor device by pressing the physical button. This physical confirmation adds an extra layer of security to your transfer. Once confirmed on your Trezor, your Bitcoin transaction is broadcast to the blockchain network. It will then await confirmation from miners. You can monitor the status of your transaction within the Trezor Suite or by using a public block explorer. Confirmation times can vary depending on network activity and the fee paid. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy sending.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.